All right, what we got going on is we got 410 Super X slugs. As you see, we're going to just see what these are grouping, what they're like at 25 yards through the Rossi survival rifle. I'm already going to tell you, don't get your hopes up because this was already filmed. And yeah, be ready for some disappointment. So y'all stay tuned and see how it goes down the drain. Probably the rifling screwed up the rifling. All right, here we go. We're at 25 yards. We got Winchester Super X slugs. We're just gonna see what they group out at 25 yards through the Rossi, and just a little bit comparison. Aiming for the bull. The 45 Colt was right there at it. So we're gonna see how far they're off if you're sighted in on something else, or at least Barnes Vortex. That's the ammo I would recommend if you're gonna hunt with this rifle to use while hunting. Whee! That's pretty high. That was pretty darn high. So let's see what they're grouping like though. Well, that's Orion's belt going on. Not grouping well at all on these. I mean, a straight line, that sucks. So if you're wondering what the Winchester Super X is doing through the Rossi survival rifle, it's not good. It's definitely not good at all. It is what it is. I ain't even gonna walk down there and waste the time. Not gonna do it.